2, 1, music.
Take me back into the arms I love. Need me like you did before.
This is unexpected. Maraming salamat po for being here tonight. Ang sarap-sarap naman na feeling. Talagang I am Thank you! Mr. Jen Velasquez!
Yes, thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here, of course. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo, nakakatuwang panoorin. Nanonood nga ako dyan kanina kasi parang 10 years na pala yun, nakalipas na yun. Nakwento ko na ba sa'yo? Alam niyo mga kaibigan, yung I don't know if I already told you, pero sinasabi ko to dun sa mga iba kong kaibigan na nung nakita ko si Sarah during the grand finals, she was the last contestant there. I was dressing up. I remember, it was in Araneta. Was it in Araneta? Sa Araneta
Sa Ultra po.
Sa Ultra. Nasa side po ako kasi nandun yung quick change ko. And I was dressing up. Hindi ako magkasya sa gown ko kasi marami akong kinaing rice. So, nahihirapan ako ng very, very light. Tapos, nung tumingin ako na ganyan, nakita ko si Sarah with her white gown. I remember, white gown, fully beaded, done by Raho Laurel, with your alampay like that. Tapos, parang tinuruan ka pa ni Raho na tanggalin yung alampay mo, na may choreo siyang ganyan. But when I saw her, I said to myself, oh my God, we have a winner. Kasi, nakita ko yung, I call it kasikatan, but actually it's your aura. Para kang kumikinang noon sa stage, and that's what I saw. So, 10 years after, here you are, a superstar.
I've got the run now, looks like we're done now. Why must you test me? This is Sarah, hear you Sarah, trust you Sarah.